Here's an example of a drawing that I've done. What we're going to be looking at is the title block. So this is not the default version of it. What SolidWorks generally looks like is this. I don't use this. This needs to go. So in order to get rid of this, we can go into Edit Sheet. And now, I was already in there correctly. Edit Sheet Format. There we go. Now what we can do is, just as if we were normally sketching, all of these lines now work like you're in a sketch. So we can start deleting some of these. We can get rid of this line. This one, we can go what is this? I want commands. There we go. Split. Split entities. We can drop a point right there. And then we can make that point coincident with this line. And now we can delete that part. Now we can make that. Coincident with this line. Okay. And that's how you can get rid of part of the section. If you wanted to make more sections, you could very easily, just as if you were sketching, go make new areas or different divisions. Let's go ahead and get rid of that.